Markets pulled back to close out the week, snapping a strong July stretch. The Dow fell 0.63%, S&P dropped 0.33%, Nasdaq slipped 0.22%, and the Russell 2000 led the downside, down 1.26%. Today's losses came after both the S&P and the Nasdaq set fresh record closes yesterday. This ends a 2-week win streak for the S&P and a 3-week streak for the Nasdaq. Laggards included airlines, home builders, chemicals, apparels, and the most shorted names. Small caps were hit hard. Copper stocks dropped again. Big tech was mixed, with semis holding up thanks to Nvidia's strength. Outperformers included gold miners, dollar stores, energy, food stocks, and railroads. Breadth was heavy. Decliners beat advancers more than 2.5 to 1 on the NYSE and Nasdaq. Volume was moderate going into the weekend. Yields moved higher again. The 10-year finished at 4.42% and the 30-year spiked to 4.96%. That's near the levels that caused equity stress back in May. Gold jumped 1.37% and oil ripped 3.1% higher to close at $68.65. Trade headlines were the big overhang. Trump confirmed the 35% Canada tariff for August 1st, teased a letter to the EU, and suggested the 15 to 20% baseline tariff across most partners. He's also tying market strength to his tariff strategy, suggesting this isn't just campaign posturing anymore. On the Fed front, Goolsbee said the anxiety from April's tariffs has faded, but this new round may force the Fed to hold off on cuts until they see more clarity. Yields backed up all week on macro resilience and deficit concerns. There was no major economic data today, but all eyes now turn to next week. Tuesday, June CPI, street looking for 0.3% month over month. Thursday, retail sales. Friday, University of Michigan consumer sentiment, plus the Q2 earnings season kicks off Monday with big banks. Notable movers today: Delta held steady after a strong report yesterday. Levi Strauss popped on earnings and a dividend hike. Drone stocks surged after the Pentagon fast-tracked production. Meanwhile, payment names like PayPal and Visa were hit on data fee news. Capricorn plunged 33% after the FDA rejected its DMD drug application. So what does this mean for your portfolio? Yields are rising, tariffs are hardening, and volatility may be returning. Don't overstay your welcome in high flyers, and don't assume strength will float through earnings season untouched. Stay disciplined, stay focused, stay profitable. God bless. I will see you Monday morning.